Hi, this is So You Want to Be a Journalist, and today we are going over how to use LinkedIn properly. Most businesses take LinkedIn semi-seriously. They'll be posting business updates, exciting new campaigns they're working on, and a whole lot more. This is really good for industry knowledge to find out what other people in your field are doing. It's also really good for inspo for new ideas for your own work. I am not saying plagiarise the ideas, but there is nothing wrong with taking a little bit of inspiration here and there. This really is the foundation of LinkedIn. Make as many connections as you can, provided they're actually relevant to what you do. Especially right now where we're all confined to our homes and unable to network in person, LinkedIn can be really helpful for doing that online. LinkedIn also has a suggested messages thing, so you don't even have to talk to them yourselves if you don't want to. Say you've written an article that's performed really well, or you've worked on a campaign that's done well, or you're part of a really new exciting team, sing your own praises. This will give you just general visibility in the field, people will know who you are, what you're doing, and it could even lead to some job offers. Which brings me on to my next point. You might not know that LinkedIn actually has a job listing section. It actually requires very minimal effort. You just opt in for something, and then every now and then you'll get emails with suggested job applications. If you feel like you're being underpaid, LinkedIn has this super handy little feature where you can put your job role in, and I think location as well, and it'll tell you what other businesses are paying for the same role in the area. This might be just a personal pet peeve because I hate seeing this happen. There is absolutely nothing wrong with posting when you just completed an internship or work experience, or you've just done something really good. Just make sure you're not being cringe about it. And that's everything. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you.